If you're considering Clockify for tracking time and managing your team's projects, there are 12 key things you should know before committing. Let's dive right into it so you can make an informed decision. First, Clockify offers a free version that's packed with features, ideal for small businesses or individuals who just need simple time tracking. But when comparing it to competitors like Toggle or Harvest, you'll find that the free plan in Clockify includes unlimited users, making it an appealing choice for teams. Next thing to consider, Clockify is versatile, offering web, mobile, and desktop versions, meaning you can track time across multiple devices with ease. However, some competitors like TimeCamp offer more advanced features across their free plans, so think about whether you need full flexibility or just basic functionality. The third thing is integrations. Clockify integrates with over 50 apps, including project management tools like Trello and Asana. However, if you compare it with something like Harvest, which also integrates with accounting tools like QuickBooks, Clockify might be lacking a bit in that department. Now, let's talk about reporting. Clockify's reporting features are simple yet effective. You can generate reports based on project or client, and it provides a breakdown of billable hours. However, if you're running a larger business with complex reporting needs, competitors like Toggle or Rescue Time might offer more detailed analytics for decision making. The fifth thing to know is that Clockify's user interface is simple and easy to use, which is a huge plus. But on the flip side, if you're someone who prefers more customization in your UI, you might find Clockify a bit too minimal compared to tools like Harvest, which allow for more tailored dashboards. The sixth thing, Clockify supports team collaboration with features like assigning tasks and setting up project categories, making it great for businesses of all sizes. But if you're looking for more advanced project management features integrated directly into your time tracking, a tool like Monday.com may offer a more robust solution. The seventh thing to be aware of is that Clockify has a unique Pomodoro timer to help boost productivity, allowing you to track time in focused intervals. While other apps like Toggle don't have this built in, it's a nice added feature if you're a fan of the Pomodoro technique. Next thing to know is how Clockify handles invoicing. It's possible to create and send invoices based on the tracked time, but there are limitations on customization. If you need highly personalized invoicing with more options, you might want to consider Harvest, which offers advanced billing features. The ninth thing, Clockify's mobile app isn't as feature-rich as its desktop version, which could be a downside for those who rely heavily on mobile time tracking. In comparison, Time Doctor's mobile app is more comprehensive and might be a better choice for people who need the full functionality on the go. The 10th thing to note is that Clockify's customer support is reliable, with email and live chat options available. However, their support hours are limited compared to something like Toggle, which offers 24/7 support to its users. The 11th thing, while Clockify offers a range of pricing plans, their premium features can get a bit expensive if you're upgrading for multiple users. If cost is a major factor for your business, you might find TimeCamp offers similar features at a slightly lower price. Finally, Clockify is a solid choice for anyone needing a straightforward time tracking tool, especially with its free plan and decent set of features. But if you're looking for more comprehensive accounting and project management capabilities, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It has all the essentials, plus additional benefits that might better suit your business.